Hi everyone, here is my week 9 sketchbook tour. So for all of these sketches, I chose to use the H pencil. I saw the suggestions and I thought anything lower, like 2H, 3H was way too light for me. Usually I start to dent the paper at that point. And for F and B, I didn't have those types, and I didn't want to go higher because then I knew it would just smudge everywhere. So here are my land animals. I only actually timed the land animals and the sea animals to see when I'd finish them. For the plants, I just did them all in the same time range. And so yeah, so for my land animals, I have a sloth here that I did in 9 minutes 13 seconds, koala 7 minutes and 52 seconds, ostrich 6 minutes 29 seconds, the elephant 6 minutes and 52 seconds, the cockatiel 5 minutes and 21 seconds, this giraffe 9 minutes and 27 seconds, and then this anteater 7 minutes and 35 seconds. I think my favorite one is the koala and the elephant, just because of the amount of detail I was able to get in a short amount of time. I probably didn't really like to do like the spots on the giraffe. Trying to get those accurate was taking up a lot of the time and I still ended in 9 minutes. So. Okay, so for my sea animals, I have the shrimp at 6 minutes and 3 seconds, the shark at 5 minutes and 32 seconds, seahorse at 5 minutes, and just 5 minutes, and the clownfish at 7 minutes and 48 seconds, the killer whale, I just forgot to put the time, narwhal 5 minutes and 28 seconds, and then this octopus 6 minutes and 20 seconds. From these, I really like how my octopus came out, even though the tentacles aren't exactly accurate, but I think just the way that I had drawn them made the motion pretty obvious, so it kind of helped it. So even though everything wasn't exactly accurate, it still looks like the octopus. The clownfish was actually the hardest one for me to draw, just because the end pieces are like white but just hard to sketch out into a shape. But yeah, and then I have the plants. I did not like to do the plants just because the shapes are just very different from one another, especially if you're just drawing off of random pictures on the internet. I have the Chinese lucky bamboo, I have the succulent plant, the pearls one I believe, I have a fern plant, bush type thing, I have a monstera, a piece of lavender, a mushroom, and then the sunflower. For me, just being able to get the leaves, the actual leaf parts, so this, like the shapes of them are really organic, so it's hard to just sketch them out accurately and have them just look like leaves. It's hard to put in the shading with leaves too, just because you have the green and then whatever color you're working with. But my favorite was the pearl one, even though it was probably the most difficult to do because of all the little circles. But yeah, thanks for looking.